What's up people, Victor Brand here once again, and today guys I'm going to show you how to do a split screen inside Davinci Resolve like this. Guys, someone asked me how do you do a split screen so that you can see the clips side by side, and this is how you do it. I'm going to show you how you do it inside Davinci Resolve. Now Davinci Resolve is a new editing software, so it doesn't have all that kind of what we are used to doing inside the Adobe Premiere, because Adobe Premiere has a feature that you can see the clip side by side, but Davinci apparently doesn't have that. So I'm going to show you how I do mine. This is my DIY, do it yourself type of tutorial. I don't know how. I'm hoping that in the next update like Davinci Resolve 17 we are going to have this feature included to do a split screen to see the clip side by side. So guys, I have my clip here. I'm going to reuse this clip. Let me just take this out for a second. So, and I discovered a new feature inside them. What if you want to select all the clips that are before the playhead? So you're going to click Alt plus Y. So you see right away I've already selected all these clips. So I'm going to hold Control C or Control Charlie if you like that. So, and I'm going to return this clip here because this is for an example purpose. I'm going to paste this here, Control. So I've already pasted my clips here. So right away guys, this is what we have. I've already pasted the clips here. So you see it's not a split screen, it's covering the whole screen. So with all the clips selected, or you can just do Alt Y, I'm going to change the position of the clip. So the clips that don't have the compound clip or the adjustment clip, you're going to paste them to the left, and then the other one you're going to place it into the right. So I'm going to go under transform. If your transform is not showing the settings, you're going to double click it to show. So I'm going to go under position, X position, to move the clip to the right. So we're going to do this like so to this point. Let's use this point, and then I'm going to copy this. So when you bring this clip in here after I've pasted it, you see it's covering the whole screen. So what you're going to do, I'm going to place the playhead here so that I can move this other one. So this one I'm going to check the clip to select the clip. So now I'm going to move it to the left, to the right, I'm sorry. I'm going to move it to the right, to this point. And I'm also going to move the other ones. And so I'm going to go in here. I'm going to select these bottom clips, all of them. So I'm going to move the clip this way. So I'm going to go under position X, and I'm going to move them like so. So right away guys, there we have it, our clips playing side by side. This is my way of doing things. I'm just really hoping that they add this feature because we really need it. And then for me to see the clips with the more clearance, I'm always pressing P for projection so that I can see it on a full screen. So the clip on the right is the one that we haven't done anything, and the clip on the left is the compound clip. So this is how we do it, side by side clip. So I'm really hoping this tutorial help you guys. So that's it for today. and see you next time, guys.